This video will demonstrate how to use the Product Selector Tool to quickly search within a product category on the FactoryMation website. Click on the Products tab to drop down a list of product categories, then mouse over Enclosures and click Wall Mount Steel. Scroll down the page and click on Shop All. The Product Selector Tool appears on the left-hand side of the new page. The tool includes collapsible sections for different product features, or facets, with text fields, buttons, and sliders. Currently, there are 99 pages of enclosures. Let's use the Product Selector tool to reduce this to a manageable amount. Set the height between 19 and 20 inches, width between 15 and 16 inches, and depth between 6 and 8 inches. Check single door enclosure with an environmental range of type 4. Finally, select mild steel and narrow the price slider to no more than $141. Don't select any color, manufacturer, or availability. Selected facets are displayed above the product list, and the page now only displays enclosures meeting selected facets. 99 pages have been reduced to 1. Chosen facets are embedded in the web page's address, or URL. This URL can then be saved and/or sent to colleagues or other interested parties to quickly view those specific search results. Click the X button beside a facet to deselect that facet. Alternatively, deselect all facets by clicking Clear All at the top of the Product Selector tool. The Product Selector tool allows customers to quickly and intuitively locate the products that meet their exact specifications. Each product category will feature different facets to choose from when narrowing a search, but they all work in the same way across the FactoryMation website.